Hello guys, today I've got the PANASONIC HC-VX3E-K camera, and today we'll go through the LUTs, how to edit your video. So to use LUTs, I've used CapCut. To do so, to add LUT to your video, here at first import it to your laptop. Here I've got the MacBook Air M4. It doesn't have to be a MacBook, it can be Windows PC, Windows laptop, anything. Just import your data. And to add LUTs, you don't need the premium version of your CapCut, so don't worry. Click this spot over here to add it to your line, over here to your timeline. And now click this to mark it. Here, as you can see, we have video, animation, and adjust. Hit adjust and go here. As you can see here, we have LUT. You can discheck it or check it. If you have your LUTs imported, you can do everything. To check if you have any LUTs imported, here go to the adjustment and LUTs. As you can see here, I've got some. And to import, just click import here, and as you can see here, these are the Shutterstock free LUTs. I have got many of them, so we can go through it easily. So here, as you can see, we have our LUT checked. Click here none, and now here they have waves, here they have orange and blue. Let me, for example, at first use waves. Here we have intensity. We can decrease the intensity of our LUTs or increase it. Here they have orange and blue, as I said, lush green, long beach morning, hard boost, crisp autumn, soft black and white, blue hour, etc. Let me, for example, use magic hour because I like this. Here, as you can see, if you have the paid version of your CapCut, you can edit your video better, and you can just use more options. Here I've got color correction. You can check that to color correction your video. As you can see here, they have intensity of it, color match. Here, second frame or import an image to apply its colors to any clip. I don't have one, so let me. I don't have one that will be good, so let me just skip this thing. Here, as you can see, we've got the auto adjust. This is just AI adjustment, so I don't really think that it's just that much important, but I can't skip it. As you can see here, if we scroll down a bit, we can see adjust. We can adjust the temperature, tint, saturation, and exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks, brilliance, sharpness, clarity, particles, fade, or vignette. Here they have, of course, this in the basics section. But what happens here? Here, as you can see, we can edit the colors of the video in HSL. We can edit curves. We have color wheels and masks. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.